Today we're checking out a really special car. This is a 30,000 mile Survivor, but what makes it extra special is what's under the hood. Chevy guys covet this engine. This is the QB code 62 only, according to the casting number day code and suffix code being QB. It's a 409 with 409 horsepower. It's not the numbers matching engine, but this was beautifully transplanted into this 30,000 original mile Survivor Bel Air and done to a concours standard. This car has pedigree. It's been in two really high-end collections. The John Darby, the 409 professor, as he's well known. He was a NASCAR competition director and renowned 409 expert. This was in his personal collection for a long time. He bought it in 2006, and he bought it from a well-renowned collection. The car was in the Hendrick's collection when John Darby bought it, and I can see why those guys were so attracted to this car, to have in their high-end collections, is the quality, and then this motor, you know.
I was going to say something different, Dalton.
What were you going to say?
I mean, I love the motor and stuff. Obviously, that's why they had it. But where do you find a 30,000 mile original 62 car, original paint, original interior, original stuff? You know what I mean? I love the motor too, obviously, but it has the total package.
Yeah, and then the quality, like they did with the engine bay, they did do a concours standard where they put that motor in there. It's got the correct aluminum intake, which these QB code 409s would have. It's got
little paint codes
right
on
air
it.
cleaner, the glass fuel filter, dual quads, and then they did all the correct markings on the firewall. It's got the right GM hoses. It's got the slant top radiator, which was unique to these 409s. The slant top, you have your both radiator hoses on the passenger side. Special car and done right, even though this wasn't the original motor. You know, it's just the ultimate sleeper on a well done car. The undercarriage on this, so this was a perfect mix of originality and restoration. The floors on this still have the original red oxy primer, with the factory applied undercoat in certain areas, but the chassis was all restored. The front and rear suspension, the frame and stuff is all restored with still original floors.
Wow.
And then I believe largely original paint. It looks like they might have done minor paint work on a couple spots of the car, but for the most part, guys, this is, you can tell here, original paint. You can see the bare metal or the primer underneath on a couple of these chips. But please go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. The link will be in the comment section of this video. Check out the floors on this. Just super quality, really nice chrome and bright work.
Yeah, this is all original paint. Look at that. You know, it's just faded through in little spots. Wow. What a Survivor.
Just rust-free body, rust-free floors, and the interior is all original too, and really in remarkable condition. You can tell a little fray here. And yeah, I mean, is it perfect? No, it's 60 years old, but it's about as nice as original interior as you're ever going to find.
It's so sweet.
The headliner is excellent. Visors are great.
Back in there, you can tell 100% without a doubt, original seat covers, original carpet, original door panels. Sweet, sweet car.
And the dash is mint. I mean, beautiful. Paint on the dash is excellent.
What a time capsule.
Yeah, it really is. And that's, like you said, probably why it was in those two very prestigious collections. That along with that QB code 409 horsepower motor. It's a super coveted motor.
That motor's worth a ton of money on its own.
It is, yeah. It's got the spaghetti shifter. Just like how that pattern is just kind of worn off that shifter ball from just years of use, but still it's very very nice. You can tell they always rested their thumb there on third gear.
That's awesome. I can't wait to drive it.
Really nice straight body.
And we're not going to be able to point out every little tiny chip and stuff, but 65-year-old paint, you're going to have some chips. Even though it only drove 30,000 miles, that's been on this earth a long time, Dalton. Look at that. Looks like original spackling,
it's all
to me,
original,
isn't it?
Trunk, spackling.
Isn't that great?
And that. Wow. Original spare polyglass stickers there. Really cool car. You just don't see stuff. You just don't see cars like this.
No.
Can you imagine if this was in somebody's garage and you walk up there and you get to check this thing out, you'd shit your pants, you know?
Yeah,
you just never see a car in this kind of condition.
Look at this. We do have
original.
A little, like I said, right here, the original paint starting to fade through a little bit, and you got a little scraped in here. Just a tiny little ding there. I think the bumpers are original, Dalton. They are. Look
yeah.
at this. You have some, that's a little of your sweat there.
Sweat.
But there is
Original
some,
sweat.
Original sweat. There is some little micro
Oxidation,
scratches and stuff in it, but still in great shape. The driver's side looks like it took the most abuse with chips, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Probably just from where it was sitting in the garage all those years.
Yeah.
That's awesome, though. That's original. They didn't get all crazy in there with paint.
No, they didn't.
You know what I mean?
The glass looks really nice too. The back glass is really nice and clean.
I know we tuned this all up, put points, and you just tuned it all up. This thing you can't get traction on these tires.
Yeah, with the old polyglass track tires with the.
They're like pizza
dog dish
cutters, and you take
hubcaps.
this thing down the road, man. You just can't keep it on the. You can't keep them from spinning.
409 horse.
That's a lot of horsepower.
Tires, door jamb, paint's original. Door panel's nice and clean.
All right, let's see how it drives.
Yep. There you go. That works.
Horn works. Heater fan works perfect. Wipers work great. What a big ass windshield, aren't they?
Yeah. Visor's a little worn, but it's original.
Just over time, that stuff deteriorates, don't it?
The cold light worked on it. It's not cold anymore. I had it idling out here for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
But
We want to make sure that warms up, that 409. Oh, the clutch feels great, though.
yeah, responsive.
And with this big steering wheel, you do not need power steering in this bad boy. You don't.
No.
It steers great when you're moving here. Go that Colton and get caught up a little bit. Runs great, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Smooth. 80 mile an hour. This thing doesn't miss a beat. I wish you need to drive this yourself and feel how tight this thing is.
That's awesome.
The speedometer showed 95 to 100 right there.
I bet you're doing her too.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
But look at it. I mean, you just can't understand how, it says we're doing 70, it might be off 5 or something, but look at this. The shifter's so tight, the steering. Unbelievable ride, isn't it?
It is.
Brant did an amazing job on this one. Just did a great job when it came in, going through it. We went through the brakes, like everything, brake stop, perfect, no pull left or right. Gas gauge works, guys, speedometer works. Here's our idle, that dual quads are just idling and purring. For such a high horsepower, relic of a 409, this thing idles just great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Speedometer, like I said, it wasn't bouncing around and worked great. It just might be just a little off, 5 mile an hour or so, which is very typical. I mean, obviously we can't document the miles. We're just going by what you said in the past ads, stuff like that. But it sure looks like it's very possible 30,000 original miles. I know it's all original interior.
That's the hard part on this car is you can only go by what has been said previously about it and what you can see and verify with any old car.
Yep, exactly. But it sure feels like it going down the road.
And it says a lot,
super
having
tight.
been in those two collections, say a lot about the car.
100%.
You know what I mean?
100%.
Not just every car is
in the Hendricks collection and the 409
Professor,
expert.
yeah.
Professor.
Yeah, exactly.
The professor.
It's NASCAR, guys.
Great job, runs great, drives great, love the car. Absolutely love it.
Fantastic. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.